The fate of an entire city was decided by the weather. After the destruction of Hiroshima on August 6th, the Japanese Empire was in a catatonic state of shock. The Supreme War Council was paralyzed, debating whether to surrender or fight until national extinction. But they did not have time to process the grief. On August 8th, the Soviet Union, fulfilling its promise to the Allies, declared war on Japan and invaded Manchuria with an overwhelming force of 1.5 million soldiers. For the Japanese leaders, this was as terrifying as the atomic bomb. They were being crushed by two superpowers simultaneously. They had a second bomb ready, and inertia demanded that it be used. It was a more complex, more powerful, and more efficient design, and the military wanted to demonstrate to the world, and especially to Stalin, that the United States did not just have one experimental bomb, but a production line of mass destruction. The original date for the second attack was August 11th, but it was moved up to the 9th due to poor weather forecasts. The haste was evident. The mission was chaos from the start. The bomber Boxcar took off with problems in its fuel bomb. Upon reaching the rendezvous point, it wasted valuable time searching for its escort. The primary target was not Nagasaki, it was the city of Kokura, a vital military arsenal. But when the Boxcar reached Kokura, it found the city covered in smoke and clouds. Visual bombing, not radar. With fuel running low and Japanese anti-aircraft defenses waking up, the pilot decided to abort and head for the secondary target. Nagasaki. The fate of an entire city was decided by the weather. At 11:02 in the morning on August 9th, the clouds over Nagasaki briefly parted. It was enough. Fat Man fell. The explosion was more powerful than Hiroshima's, equivalent to 21,000 tons of TNT, but due to the valley's geography, the destruction was concentrated. Even so, 40,000 people died instantly. Another 40,000 would die in the following days and weeks from burns and radiation. It was the final blow, a bomb created out of fear of the Nazis, a marvel of engineering funded by a democracy, had ended up falling on a secondary Japanese city due to cloud cover, killing a population composed largely of Japanese Christians, Korean forced laborers, and Allied prisoners of war.